Puisa siya ng mga sali. Puisa, you guys know the song Puisa? So I wrote this song when I was in my college. Pocket money mo yan. Thinking ito sabi failures mo sa tigi. I wrote the song called Puisa. But you guys remember the dialogue from the famous Naga actor Bosman? Puisa morong gibi, Puisa gibi morong bet angkor ase bado. You guys know the dialogue? So this was also partly inspired from that very dialogue. The song Puisa was actually my first Nagamese song that I released, and 7 years from now, still performing. So I hope you guys enjoy. The song is called Puisa. Hey, if you love money, let me see those hands up, everyone. Say Puisa, 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 say Puisa, 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 say Puisa, 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 say Puisa, Puisa. Listen. Puisa, Puisa, kote jabo Puisa. Tupora kama bo aro hobo me kanisa. Pasa kota kwa manu Puisa dikile misa. So manu ki kwa na hoy. Money is the root of all evil. Dear government, please listen change, filling up in the potholes. Nangalinda rasa to. Saginabi mo bigay paging kurileto rasa kabi suku pani jaga buite. Tapos na nangalin, voice of the niginabi kwa na hoy. Tunipi, Puisa dikileto so manobi suku anda hoy. Pasinabi lai ginagama manukange, wala ka sila. Apni kada say ito society na kana. Osa kuta kui kasi Puisa la. Moro tu, legina, bijo ke bhi eko moro puri sabi to. Say Puisa, 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 hey. Thank you.